Welcome to the first Earth Mother message for February 2025. It's the height of summer here in Australia. It's 35 degrees outside, getting close to 100, and it's a beautiful day. Let's get started and we'll find out what message Mother Earth has for us today. Okay, we shall get my pendulum ready and I'll connect with my higher self and my guides, and Mother Earth will come through for us. Okay, let's see what we get. This is Mother Earth. We do have a message for my friends on YouTube, and we are so pleased to meet you here again. I already feel the work that your viewers are doing. Those who have watched the videos in the past, those who are watching them now, and those who are watching them in the future. It doesn't matter when you watch and send love to me, your plants, or your trees, for there is no time for me. In the same way, there is time for you. And at this moment, I feel the love that you are directing to me, and know that the love and the energy and the nurture that you send always is felt and is doing good. Sometimes the good is obvious and immediate, but mostly the good is in the ground, and it is slowly building and working, but it is not fast enough for you humans to appreciate just yet. But know in the future that as this love accumulates and grows and becomes more powerful, that the signs of the love that you are pouring into my being will become more apparent. But you can see the effects of the care that is given when people tune into my rhythms and cycles and begin to allow them to flow unencumbered, and to begin to work with this flow and these natural cycles, that the abundance of earth will come back with amazing speeds and results. That the care that is given to earth is returned threefold. And do not despair, although grave harm is being done on my surface and to my creatures. They are resilient too. And as people learn and flow love and attune to my cycles and seasons and rhythms, that the earth will recover and flourish once more. Do not underestimate the ability of nature to rebalance itself. And balancing is one of the themes I want to talk to you about today. Rebalancing my cycles, rebalancing the nature and how you react with her. Know that the interactions between humans and nature used to be a balanced and well-kept cycle, and we flourished together. And what was often perceived as a primitive life was a life that was rich in knowledge, rich in relationships, and rich in the abundance that we shared together. They cared for me and I cared for them, and they were aware of the care and the cycles that we shared. But now this connection has been broken for many, and the cycles and the sharing and the caring has been forgotten, but not completely, as we can see by those who are awakening to the proper care of the earth and a veneration of the gifts and bounty that are there for those who care and return the love and work together with nature to form better societies, better partnerships. I can support and care for so many of you, but I also need support and care myself. So humans are learning, and we need to learn more about how we can care for the earth, how we can attune ourselves to the cycles and help the balance that was once there. You do not have to be out in the wilds. You do not have to be a conservationist on the front line, and you do not have to be a farmer out in the fields. You can help balance nature in the most simplest ways. So we say to you, on your 27th floor apartment with your pot plants, you can balance nature as well. So, as we always say to you, sit yourself down, calm your mind, clear your heart, and then fill it with love. Send your love out to your pot plant, to your backyard, to the parks, to the trees, into the wild places that are near you, or wherever you feel the call to sit with nature. Send your love out to the piece of nature that you are with, be it your pot plant friend, your friendly tree in the park, that particular lake or stream you like to sit beside, or that hike you like to do in the forests, or as we say in Australia, the bush. Take yourself to that place. Sit yourself down and quieten your mind, clear your heart, and sit and be. I know I say this all the time, but you can connect with me best when you are putting aside your fears and worries, your to-do lists, and the busyness of everyday life. Put them aside for a few minutes and be still and fill that heart of yours with love, the love you feel for me, Mother Earth, and your love you feel for all that abides upon me. And send that love out to your pot plant, to your trees, to the water. And sit like that for a few minutes. Then you can send more love and open yourself up to feel that love return. No matter how small the plant or large the forest, the love that you send will always be returned. So feel the ebb and flow. Feel the love go to the tree and feel the tree send you love. And as we said last time, you can send them your fears and they will take care of them and send you love. But for this time, let's just send love back and forth, back and forth, feeling the flow. If you can't feel it in your body, then just feel it in your mind. The energy will be moving, but you may not be ready to feel it. But if you set the intention of flowing love out of your heart to the tree, and then imagining the love from the tree coming back to your heart, and that is enough to start the process. In time, you won't have to imagine it because you will start to feel it. You will start to feel a flow of energy from your heart full of love to the trees or the pot plants or the natural environment, and then feel the love and the gratitude come back to you. Try to flow a gentle, calm amount. We're not trying to force it down. We are letting it go naturally. And we do that by thinking how much love we feel for this place. So feel the love you have for Mother Nature, Mother Earth, and all who abide with her. Send that love out from your heart, and then in return, feel that love come back from the plant, the tree, the natural environment, and feel that come back into your heart. That is a cycle, and that is a balance. You have started to become part of the natural rhythms of nature and of life. You are now giving and you are receiving. Think of your little pot plants. You tend them with love, but do you know the love they give back to you? They want to be part of the cycle, to return love to you, and so that you can both be in a balanced relationship where you give and then receive, and then they receive, and then they give. Think of this cycle and think of the balance that is being provided through this cycle. And if you do this in a calm way, you are aiding the balance of nature. It is not hard. We are starting with the simplest things that you can do, and it's a beautiful thing. So do this, dear ones. Join in this balance. Many of you do this already, but do you think of it as being in balance? Because as all things, the intent is very important. So feel the balance, feel what you're giving, the love that you're sharing, and then be ready to receive that love in return. Blessings to you all, and I look forward to sharing the love I feel for you all as you share your love for me and all who live upon me. Blessings, everybody, and stay calm and let Mother Nature help you as you help Mother Nature. Thank you. Sorry, I'm just a little breathless with that one. What a beautiful idea. I never thought of the sharing of love as sharing the balance and starting to put the balance back into nature. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.